Hello guys, so if you're looking to set up Authenticator app with your Android device, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now firstly, go to a browser and just simply search for office.com, then sign in with your information, click on sign in and enter all of your details, then do the verification of your email. So after that, click on verify, again click yes. After that, click on your profile, click on view account, go to security info, click on update info, add sign in method, choose the drop box, choose Authenticator app, then click add. Now hit next. Now again hit next. Now you should get a QR code like this. Now the next process is on your phone, so I'm going to show you what to do on the phone. So after that, firstly go to your Play Store and search for Microsoft Authenticator, then just simply open the application. So after installing and opening the application, click on accept, then click on the checkbox and hit continue. Now you should find the option where you can scan a QR code, so click on that, then allow the scanner to scan the QR code. Now after scanning, just simply hit next, and by now you should have a pop-up on your Microsoft Authenticator app, so just simply hit approve, and the moment you will hit approve, you will find a notification on your Microsoft account as well, as you can see right on the screen. So hit next and your Authenticator is all set. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.